Hi friends, in this video we'll discuss about the travel portal with drag and drop page builder. It's super easy. You can now create beautiful websites without any coding or designing skills. Just drag and drop elements like pictures, videos and text wherever you want them. Now let's jump into the demo. In order to edit the website through the page builder, you have to log in into the system. Then navigate, either you navigate to manage pages or you can click on my add-ons, then scroll in the bottom. You need to activate this first, or you can get this activated by contacting our team. And once it's activated, you can configure. This should take you to the page builder pages management system. Now this is where all your pages are listed. Now let's say if we'd like to edit index or the home page with the English language, just because the default language is English, that's the reason we can find this English flag. Now this is the home page. You can drag and drop elements like this way you can edit your home page. You can change your text elements like India, and then these are the popular destination. We can change almost every single element in this web page. The very same way, if you'd like to edit the other page, we just have to navigate to the respective page. Let's say the contact us or the about us, terms and conditions. So this is the terms and conditions or the refund policy page. We can make the changes in the text and then save. So this is how you edit your website through the page builder. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.